All right, so today we have Marcus here with his JDM Integra. What year is it, Marcus?
97.
97. We're about to put on this shifter.
K-tuned shifter.
All right. Makes you have quick shifts, millisecond shifts, race car shit. So we got it jacked up. Gonna get underneath. Also, the inside's got to get interior taken apart, but we're gonna drop this center section of an exhaust with the resonator. Looks like the bolts are fairly new, so I should be able to drop just the middle section and drop down his shift linkage, hopefully. To pop this center console out real quick, pull the boot off so we don't damage it. He thinks he's not gonna be able to use the boot because this shit sits too high once everything's slid together, because it's race car. So now we got straight up access to the shift linkage right there. There's like 210s there. We'll drop it down and we'll start fucking with it. I can't see this. We're doing research on YouTube so I can post it on YouTube.
It's not K-tuned either.
So in case y'all want to see, you can show us something. Yeah, watch it. Subscribe to me, not him. So, had to step away. And my brother got this shifter back in. We measured the throw of the old shifter that was in here. So that's where we set the ball. So that'll be our starting point, as we don't want the shifter to hit the exhaust, so the other one didn't hit. So we just put on the same one as the other one. Nice and tight. Now for this awesome part. Oh, this looks like it was bent in. Linkage is in. Had to do some minor bending because whoever put the short shifter in here the first time fucked his shift linkage up. Had to open it back up. Nice and stiff. That's what you want. The throw that I used from the short shifter was perfect. Does not hit the exhaust or anything. And just so you guys know, I measured it. It was 39 millimeters is what we did. For reference for you guys, if you guys ever try to do it and don't have a short shifter, that's what I used as a measurement. And hit the set screws and Loctite at the bolt that comes on the little ball in there. So that's all tight. The next is just putting the dash back together and Getting this good.
Try to make it as simple as possible.
Alright, so Marcus Sets is about to put this back in. Okay.
Oh, I gotta take this shifter out.
It's no good? You sure you can't leave that on?
Yeah, because when I mock it up. Push it in there and force it. There's like little plastic prongs that you see. Little plastic prongs that stop it.
Put this in,
Can't find the hole.
slide it through. Make the old people at work say, if it has some hair, you find it, huh?
Yeah. There, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So we're about to take out the 800 horsepower Integra. Running 53 pounds of boost.
The spine one, the one that looks like little
Yeah.
spikes. I'm like, yo, I can't have a personal wheel and then have a Momo quick release because it'll be extra fuckboy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.